Hi guys, this is California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier supplies showing you the best quality Singer mahogany, Sinker mahogany, Suchinia macrophylla, aka Honduras mahogany. So over here you can see the color of uniqueness of Singer mahogany, vibrant color, unique. Singer mahogany is the mahogany that in the river and the creek for a long time. You can see here the color. It's not a regular mahogany. It's a lot of filaments accumulated on the wood. They changes the color and uniqueness. Very rare, coming from Guatemala, Mexico, Nicaragua, all the countries. We come with all the CITES documentations on it. If you guys looking for mahogany Singer, call us. We have plenty of backs and sides, fingerboards. We have neck blanks, everything in mahogany. So if you guys looking for unique Singer mahogany, always reach us. We have vibrant quality Singer mahogany in stock. You can see the color right there, Ray. You can see the quality. You can see the uniqueness. You can zoom right here. We can show the color. So if you guys looking for mahogany, finest quality, big leaf mahogany, call us. We have a few hundred sets of backs and sides in stock. We have neck blanks. We have body blanks in stock. If you're looking for regular mahogany neck blanks, we have in stock. This is also a Singer mahogany, but not too much. But these are the best quality, 5A grade. Thank you. Appreciate it.